Welcome back, fellow photography enthusiasts. Today we are diving into a hot debate among travelers and photographers: mirrorless cameras versus DSLRs for travel photography. Both camera types have their strengths and weaknesses, but which one is the ultimate companion for your adventures? Let's see the video. We explore the pros and cons of each, helping you make an informed decision. When it comes to size and weight, mirrorless cameras take the lead. They are significantly lighter and more compact than DSLRs, making them easier to carry during your travels. Mirrorless cameras are perfect for those seeking a lightweight and portable option without compromising on image quality. DSLRs, on the other hand, tend to be bulkier and heavier due to their internal mirror mechanism. So, if traveling light is a priority, mirrorless cameras are the way to go. When it comes to image quality, both mirrorless cameras and DSLRs can produce stunning results. DSLRs traditionally boosted larger sensors, providing excellent image quality and dynamic range. However, with the advancements in mirrorless technology, many mirrorless cameras now feature full-frame sensors that rival DSLRs in image quality. Mirrorless cameras also have the advantage of providing real-time exposure, previews, and more accurate focusing through the electronic viewfinder. So, in terms of image quality, it's a close call between the two. When it comes to autofocus speed and performance, mirrorless cameras have the edge. Mirrorless systems use contrast detection or hybrid autofocus system, which can be faster and more accurate than the phase detection autofocus found in DSLRs. Mirrorless cameras also excel in continuous autofocus, making them ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects during your travels. Lens selection and adaptability can play a crucial role in travel photography. DSLRs have a long-established advantage with a wide range of lenses available, including specialized lenses for various genres of photography. However, mirrorless camera systems have been catching up rapidly, and many manufacturers now offer an extensive lineup of lenses. So, while DSLRs have a broader lens selection, mirrorless cameras offer versatility and adaptability. Battery life is an essential consideration, especially during long days of travel and photography. DSLRs typically have larger bodies, allowing for bigger batteries and longer battery life. Mirrorless cameras, on the other hand, have smaller bodies and rely on electronic viewfinders and continuous sensor operation, which can drain the battery faster. However, advancements in mirrorless technology have led to improved battery life in newer models. It's advisable to carry extra batteries or a portable charger regardless of the camera type you choose. If you are passionate about capturing videos during your travels, both mirrorless cameras and DSLRs offer excellent options. Mirrorless cameras often have an advantage with features like in-body image stabilization, 4K UHD video recording, and better autofocus in video mode. DSLRs, on the other hand, are still preferred by some videographers for their optical viewfinders and robust video capabilities. Consider your specific video requirements and choose accordingly. Finally, let's talk about pricing and wrap up a comparison. Mirrorless cameras tend to be more expensive, especially when considering high-end models with full-frame sensors. However, mirrorless cameras offer a wide range of price points, including more affordable options with APS-C sensors. DSLRs, on the other hand, can provide excellent value for those on a budget, especially when considering entry-level models. The choice between a mirrorless camera and a DSLR for travel photography ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. If size and weight are critical factors, mirrorless cameras offer a portable and lightweight solution without compromising image quality. Mirrorless cameras also excel in autofocus speed and performance, as well as adaptability with lens options. However, DSLRs still hold their ground with larger sensors, extensive lens selections, and longer battery life. That concludes a comparison between mirrorless cameras and DSLRs for travel photography. We hope this discussion has shed some light on the topic and helped you make a more informed decision. Happy travels and happy shooting!